What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision AR15 Carbine buffer kit. And this one comes with the H buffer. You can also get the H2 or H3. But as you can see, it's marked on the box here. So again, going to be a short video here, but just wanted to show you guys what you get if you're looking to order this online, so that way you know. So with that, let's go ahead and open this up. The packaging is the classic Aero Precision black and cardboard color, so no surprise there. And then if we can get this top part open, there we go. We'll go ahead and get this out and see what comes with it. Looks like there's some other stuff here. Make sure it's empty. Yep, that's it. So that's it for the box there. So inside here, oh look, another sticker, as always. So we have in this packaging the actual buffer tube and spring, along with another sticker. We'll add it to our collection over here. And you can see here, and oh, there's the buffer in there as well. So here's our buffer tube that comes with it. Again, no surprise there. Flat black one, looks good. We have our buffer. And again, this is an H1 as indicated right there. You can see perfect standard one. And then in here we have the spring. Again, just standard spring for the buffer tube as well. And then we also get in this package here, hopefully we can get this opened. Yeah, there we go. We have our castle nut all lubed up, ready to get put on. And then we also have this part that goes right next to it on the lower receiver as well. So yeah, just comes with everything that you'd expect as far as a buffer tube and buffer kit assembly. But again, we're getting the nice quality products from Aero Precision, which are always a great option to put on your build. So I'm excited to get this on an AR. I'm actually building one on the channel here. So if you're seeing this video, go check out my channel. I'll have another video actually assembling all this on an Aero Precision lower. And yeah, that's it for this one. If you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, I'll have some other videos coming on how to assemble and put all this together. So go check those out as well. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.